Hi, I'm Andrew Pratt.
I'm Derek Stapleton.
And I'm Jacob Stinson.
And this is ROADe.
Our robot, ROADe, was designed to avoid both moving objects and stationary ones. It does this by first following the black line in the middle, then utilizing the rangefinder. It detects any objects that are directly in front of it. Once an object is detected, it goes into a never-before-seen obstacle avoidance maneuver. Once in this groundbreaking turn sequence, it will either complete the maneuver or it will bump into another object which is detected by the bump sensors. If this happens, ROADe will then reverse its direction and move back into the position it was in when it began the initial turn sequence. ROADe avoids the object in the first turn's path by executing the same turn sequence in the opposite direction. This innovative control design allows for complete awareness of what is directly ahead of ROADe at all times.
ROADe was designed with the rangefinder in the very center in the front of the base plate. This design was used so that the bump sensors could be placed on each side of the rangefinder. The bump sensors were placed in this configuration because it gave ROADe the widest possible range of object detection. On the underside of the base plate, two light sensors were placed as close together as possible. These light sensors were used to follow the center black line by having both sensors on the black line. The two rear wheel configuration was used because it allowed for easy turning and less power consumption.
Various protocols were used to implement our control design. The light sensor readings used to follow the line were obtained using an analog to digital converter. The proximity sensors that detected objects on the line used I2C to communicate with the Arduino. The bump sensors that detected objects while turning used interrupts to tell ROADe to reverse direction when an obstacle was in the way. Finally, the wheels were used to move and turn ROADe by changing the PWM signals going to the servos the wheels were attached to.
Yeah.